Kebaikan amal selatan al Tabbouleh. I am Chef Riyad. Today we are going to make Lebanese Tabbouleh Salad. Before we begin, I want to thank Auntie Farida's Tabbouleh sponsorship. These are all the ingredients we need today. First of all, we need 200 grams of English parsley, 8 pieces of mint leaf, 1 small Holland onion cut into slices, 60 grams of fine Bulgur wheat, 2 red and firm tomatoes, 1 scallion or spring onion, cut it into 2 inches, 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Soak the Bulgur wheat in water for 5 minutes and set aside. Now we're going to use Tabbouleh Turbo Chopper. Remember, children aren't allowed to use this machine without the permission of parents. We will only wash the parsley after chop to have a better texture. We pull this within the machine and it's approximately 50 grams. Close it and pull it for 25 times. Look, it's a perfect chop. Put the lid aside for washing. Put the chopped parsley aside for washing. Finally, last batch. Now we can rinse the parsley. Squeeze the parsley by hand to get rid of any excess water. After 4 times of washing, put it aside. Let it drain well. Squeeze the Bulgur wheat by hand to get rid of any excess water. These are the textures that we want after wash. Next, chop the spring onion and the mint. Pull it while around 10 times. Chop the Holland onion. Pull it for around 10 times. Now we're going to squeeze the lemon, 4 tablespoons. Next, we're going to cut a tomato dice. If you're not comfortable with your knife, ask your parents to help. Cut into quarter. Remove the seeds. Cut into dices. Now we're ready to make our salad. Salt to taste and 1 pinch of pepper. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix them up. Otherwise, we can also do it this way. Shake it. And ta-da! Our salad is ready. Now it's time to serve. Now we can do the garnishing. 3 spoons of tomato dices. Top it with olive and a sliced lemon. And it's now ready to eat. I'm gonna let my father try my first attempt of Tabbouleh salad. Try it!
So good. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.